So the plan for attaching the Kevlar cord is this. I'm going to start with this Kevlar cord. This is 100-pound Kevlar cord. It's 0.8 of 1 millimeter, so it's extremely thin. It's like a very heavy dental floss, but it can hold 100 pounds. For a rocket this size, this is just perfect. We'll use this. The trick to mounting it to the coupler, though, is that I'm going to put a small hole in the coupler here. You see I have a line indicating the depth that it goes in for gluing. I'm going to put a hole in the coupler, and I'm going to fish the Kevlar cord through there and tie a slip line knot and pull it tight. Once I pull it tight, I'm going to glue the cord inside of the coupler. And then after that, I'm going to put the coupler into the rocket. So those are the steps I'm going to do. So the first step is fairly simple. All I do is just drill a hole in there. Now I use the small hobby drill. It's best to use a drill so that it's perfectly round. If you use a hobby knife, it's going to be kind of like choppy and rough. So just go ahead, use a drill, put a very small hole in here. It's real easy to do. Okay, so I fed a length of Kevlar cord through. This is about 1 foot long, maybe a little bit longer. I fed it through the hole, and I tied a slip line knot. And what's nice, I just take this knot, go like this, now it's tight. So the next step is I'm going to take this cord and pull it through the coupler. It's going to pull the knot inside. That way, when we push this inside the body tube, it's got a nice smooth mount, and the knot is on the inside, and we won't have any problems. Okay, so at this point, I now have the cord pulled through the coupler, and you see this part is now nice and smooth. This tiny bump should be fairly easy to put inside the body tube, shouldn't be any problems. And the knot now is pulled inside. Now, the next step for this is I'm going to put some E6000 glue inside the coupler to glue the cord to the inside of the coupler. The E6000 glue is perfect for this because it's nice, sticky, gooey, and it dries like an epoxy. So I'm going to go ahead and put some glue along this. I'm going to pull the cord tight so that this cord now will be very tight against this coupler, and the coupler will be completely open. Now, of course, you can see the tail of the cord in there. That's okay. That's going to get stuck down with the glue.